Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's lecture. Before going to start a lecture, I will give you some instructions. Instructions. Take out your pencil and notebook first. Then write important points in your notebook. Then pause video when I tell you to pause it. Clear? Instructions are clear to you? Okay. Then this is our block 2. And what is the name of this block? The block name is sequencing and summarizing. Sequencing and summarizing. This is part 2 of this block. Clear? Next, agenda. Agenda. Agenda means what we are going to do in this lecture. First, we will know about aim. We will discuss about aim. Then we do activity related to this chapter. Then after that, I will ask activity based questions. In the end of the lecture, I will discuss keywords with you. I hope agenda is clear to you. Next, now we will discuss aim. In this lecture, we will learn how to spell new words by learning the sound of the first two letters. We will learn how to spell new words by learning the sound of the first two letters. Name is clear to you? Okay. Now we will start activity. Before going to start activity, I will give you some instructions. My first instructions, look at the pictures carefully. I will show you some pictures. Look at the pictures carefully. Then I will show you a table. Then you complete the table. Instructions are clear to you? Then now we let's start activity. Look at the pictures carefully. This is your first picture. This is second picture. This is your third picture. This is your fourth picture. And this is your fifth picture. Now, this is a table. You have to complete this table by pictures. Pause your video for 2 minutes and write down your response in your notebook. I will show you pictures. Now complete this table. I hope you have done. Now we will discuss this table. What is this? Bro. What is this? Bro. Now what is this? What is this? Bread. What is this? What is this? Bread. This is bread. So we will put bread here. We will put bread here. Bro and bread. Now I will show you next picture. Brush. What is this? Brush. This is train. Drink. This is drum. Now we complete this table. Bread. First sound is bro. So we will put bread here. Brush. First sound is bro. What is this? Tr. Here we will put train here. First sound is tr. So we will put here in this column train. Dr. Drum. We will put drum here because first sound is dr. Drink. First sound is dr. This is your table. Next, I will ask questions. I will ask activity based questions. My first question: what do all these words have in common? Repeat after me. What do all these words have in common? Write down your response in your notebook. Yes, I hope you have done it. Now we will discuss answer of this question. All these words have R as the second letter, like here bro. Second letter is R. BR. Second letter is R and sound is R. Dr. Second letter is R and sound is R. Here tr. Second letter is R. So all these words have R as the second letter. These are blends. Br, dr, tr. All are blends. They are the sounds of two letters blended or mixed together. It is clear to you? Next, I hope it is clear to you. Now, I will ask a question and you have to write your own answer in your notebook. Now my question: what words can you think of that start with pro and cro blends? Repeat after me. What words can you think of that start with pro and cro blends? You have to write your own answer in your notebook. Now, in the last, we will discuss our keywords. Then keywords. My first keyword is bland. Blends. My second keyword bro and bread. My third keyword brush. Fourth keyword is tree. My fifth keyword drink. Repeat after me. Blends, bread, brush, tree, drink. Thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully.